stupid power to go out. Hey, Forte. Forte. Uh, Forte, get up. Dad, I'm tired. 40, you gotta go to school. Come on, get up. And the bus is not coming to get you because it's raining really bad outside, so I gotta drop you off. Dad, I'm tired. What time is it? It's 6:30 in the morning. Dad, I don't want to go to school. Fortnite, I don't got time for this. Class starts at 8, okay? I'm gonna need you to get up. Dad, it's raining. Isn't it thundering too? Yeah, no. We're back on Thunder Watch again. For like the third time this year already. I don't know why, but I'm gonna just need you to get up and get ready so I can drop you off. Dad, could I just miss school this one time? No, you already missed too many days, okay? So get up. Fine. What? Why is the TV not on? Oh, it cut off. Power went out. Are you serious? It's so dark in here. I want to go to... Can I get 5 more minutes? Maybe 10, 15 more minutes? So I can kind of sleep more. No, because you know what happens? 15 minutes turns into 20 minutes, and then 20 minutes turns into 25 minutes. 25 minutes turns into 30 minutes. And then eventually 30 minutes just turn into an hour. And at that point, you're just late for school, okay? Brush your teeth, get in the shower, all that jazz, and just hurry up. Does Chef Tiger make breakfast? No, Chef Tiger's asleep. Just eat breakfast at school. Fine. Chris, a stupid rain couldn't save me. Okay, let me turn the light on. What? Oh, I missed. Oh wait, the power went out. Never mind. Okay. Do I even wanna... Dang, I didn't clean off my sink. Wow. I don't want to go to school today, bro. I'm too tired. Prayer of the day. You always need it with you. Oh, God. Heavenly Father, can you just cancel school today? Please. Like, please. Please. I just beg you. Please. Okay, where's... Alright, we're get my toothpaste. Let's see. Empty. 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 Oh, I'm running out of toothpaste. Dang, I forgot to tell my dad to go to the store. Well, I'm gonna have to do the old-fashioned way. Get the scissors and then cut the tube open just to scoop all the freaking toothpaste out. Alright. I got school today. Oh. I kind of had a weird nightmare. I was slowly starting to not like school. Nah, I love school. School's great. What? Is it raining? I just heard thunder. Oh, that can't be good. Oh well, my parents can always just drop me off. Ugh, it's always a good day. I can't wait to go to school. I wonder what we're learning. Maybe some history about the Vietnam War. Oh, maybe some great math, like calculus. Ooh, maybe we're reading The Great Gatsby. Ooh, maybe we're gonna learn about the dinosaurs. Yeah, that'd be great. Quite excited we're gonna learn. I'm gonna say good morning to my parents. Good morning, Mom and Dad. How are you two doing in this wonderful... You know what? Maybe I'll just take myself to school and just act like I didn't see that. Alright, well, that was one of the weirdest things I've ever saw. Wait, I'm gonna turn on the TV. Okay, I genuinely don't want to be too loud because I don't want to wake them up. Okay, TV's just right there. Okay. Alright. What? What the heck? Why is the TV not turning on? Okay. Maybe I need to get closer to it. Maybe that's the problem. Is it unplugged? No, it's all... You know, now that I think about it, the lights all seem to be off. I think the power went out. Dang it! I wanted to check the weather. Maybe look at the news, see if something's going on. Alright, well, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta get ready for school.
This place is scary when the power goes out. Hey, kid. Kid's a deep sleeper. I forgot he doesn't snores. When he sleeps, he just looks like he dies. Like he just looks dead. After when he dies, I won't even tell if he's just sleeping or dead. Hey, kid. Kid. Hey, kid. Get up, kid. Wait, get up. Son, come on. You gotta go to school. Get up.
Oh, hey, Dad.
You up, kid?
Dad, I'm tired. I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah, no, come on, kid. Get up. You got school today.
Dad, I don't want to go to school. Is it raining?
Yeah, I don't see how that's gonna stop you from getting your educations.
What? Well, Dad, can you drop me off? I don't want to ride my bike.
Kid, gas isn't free.
Well, you don't necessarily put gas in a golf cart. You just charge it up. At least with the one we have.
Kid, get up and get ready for school.
Dad, can you please just take me just this one time? I don't want to ride my bike.
Kid, get up and get ready for school. You're riding your bike whether you like it or not. You're taking that one.
Okay, I didn't really plan on taking any other bike. That's usually the one I ride. Wait, that's not the one I usually ride. Where's the one I usually ride?
I don't know. You just got to look for it. But come on, you gotta get ready for school, kid.
The requested rain just couldn't cancel freaking school. Ugh. Oh, I'm gonna be honest, that was probably one of the best showers I've ever had. I just gotta dry off some more. Okay, get back here.
Alright, Fortnite, you ready now?
What? How long was I in the shower?
What, 30 minutes?
I was in the shower for 30 minutes?
Yeah, that's quite ironic for you because you never like taking showers. And whenever you do get in the shower, you're usually in there for like 5 minutes.
Oh. It's probably what that's... Guess it was just that good of a shower.
Alright, now come on, get in the car. We gotta go.
Dad, I'm hungry. I want to eat breakfast.
I told you can eat breakfast at school. Come on.
Fine. But it's still raining though.
I don't care. Come on.
Traffic's gonna be terrible. Alright, I'm all finished. Mom, Dad, can y'all take me to school? Mom, I have school. Mom, class starts in like 30 minutes. I don't want to be late. Dad? Oh, they're both unconscious. Well, my school is not too far anyways, and I guess I could just walk there. But it's raining. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. Just let them do their own thing. Oh, there's the bike that I usually take. I don't want to ride my bike in the rain. I'm gonna get freaking soaked. Well, I have no other choice. Gotta go to freaking school. Yeah. I hate this. Oh my gosh. I'm almost there. Oh my gosh. This stupid rain. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's all wet. Where's my dad had an extra towel for me? Of course, we're like the first ones here, right, guys? Glad you're dry, Fortnite. Glad you're dry. Sucks that you didn't have to walk to school. Sucks you didn't have to bike either. Dang, y'all are soaking wet. Yeah, no, really? It's not like it was freaking raining outside. Yeah, it's storming out there. You want my towel? Fortnite, it's already soaking wet. There's no point. Yeah, it's not gonna serve any purpose to dry us off. Well, that sucks for y'all, because I ain't gotta sit in class soaking wet. Well, class canceled due to heavy weather? So you tell me I biked 15 minutes here just to see a sign on our class door that says class canceled due to heavy weather? Why didn't they just put this sign up outside of the school instead of once we got in the building? So you tell me I could have just stayed in my bed asleep the whole time? I didn't have to pull up here? Are you serious? I think my dad probably just drove off now. Actually, maybe if I can run, I can make it back in time. Well, I'm going back to sleep. Nice knowing you guys. So excited to go back home. I don't want to walk back out there. I don't want to ride my bike for another 15 minutes. Stupid school for not telling us anything.